Hello, everyone. Today I'm here to speak about the internship what we provide at 360DigiTMG. Before diving into that internship content, let me congratulate every one of you. So you must be wondering, right? Why she's congratulating, right? So I'm congratulating you because you opted for data analytics and data science. So these two are one of the leading domains in the corporate world. So that is the reason why I am congratulating you. So with the congratulations, let us move forward. So before going forward, let me introduce myself. My name is AiSPRY. I'm working as an associate data scientist at AiSPRY. So why I am here? I am here to announce the data analytics and crisp MLQ free internship. So why internship is required? You must be wondering, right? So, whenever you go for an interview, right? If you're switching your career or if you're a fresher, whenever they'll see a project, right? As an experience, they will be very interested to know more about the project, about your skills and everything, right? If you're going without any project in your resume, your interviewer may not be that interested in your resume, right? So this will help you to make your resume stand out from others. So, in this internship, we will have the two phases. Let us understand these two phases of internship. The first one will be a learning phase. Learning should never stop, right? So, in this learning phase, we'll mainly learn about Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. So, where do we get all these details? So, let me show you our learning management system. Yes. So, our learning management system or LMS looks like this, where you'll get all the modules for these contents like Python, SQL, and other data preliminaries. Once you go through these topics, every day you need to answer few questions. Now, where you will find these questions, right? So, you will find these questions in our LinkedIn, page, our company's LinkedIn page, 360DigiTMG's LinkedIn page basically. Over here, every day we'll be posting the questions. You'll get the question on crisp MLQ, on SQL, and even on the Python. So every day, these questions you'll be posted. Now, where do you need to answer? You need to answer in the comment section with the answer. Okay, you need to answer in the comment section. So how we will track you? Basically, we have a team who will observe all these comments. Okay, we will have a record who have answered the questions and all those details will be there. Okay, based on that, we will be moving forward to the second phase. Now, what is the second phase is all about? Let us see that. So, in the second phase, basically, you will work in a project. So, how do you work in the project? You will be working where under a expert data scientist. You'll be assigned with the mentor who will guide you throughout the project. Okay, who has a experience in the real world projects. Okay. Then there will be a daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes. What is this stand-up meeting is all about? Right? So basically in this stand-up meeting, your mentor will be guiding you what needs to be done or what you are supposed to do next. You can also showcase what you have done so far. Okay? That is being done in the daily stand-up meetings. This is held from Monday to Friday to discuss what is done and what must be done, right? And what are the risks or the challenges that you have, that you're facing, correct? Maybe if there is a solution from your mentor, the person will be providing you with the solutions to whatever the challenges you are facing. So this is all about the project phase. So in detail, we will discuss this when we reach that particular project phase. Okay. Next, upon completing this project, you will be given with the certificate of completion, where your name will be there, what is the project you have done, and what is the timeline in which you have done this project. Okay, so this certificate is given by the 360 digit EMG. Okay, so we are not going to charge you anything, even a single penny, before or during or even after the completion of the project. This is a completely free project or the internship or the certificate what we can provide to you. Correct? Once you complete with the project, you will be given with this certificate of completion for the internship, where the project name is also being mentioned. Okay, so when does this internship will start? Basically, this internship will be started from the next Monday itself. So how can I get this internship? You must be wondering this, right? So the link will be posted in the community groups. What you need to do, you need to basically fill out that Google form, right? By when? That is by Sunday evening. By Sunday evening, you need to fill out this Google form. From Monday, you will be joining our internship program. Yes. So let us see few frequently asked questions about this internship program. Completion of learning phase. So the participants must complete all learning modules before moving to the next task. Correct? Before going to the project phase, you need to complete all the modules, all the learning modules which are provided to you. Please reach out for support if needed at interns at 360digitmg.com. If you are requiring any sort of support, you can reach out to us through this mail ID. LMS credential issuance. So when you'll be getting this LMS, so once you sign up, then it will take around 24 working hours uh, for your LMS credentials to be issued. Okay, so patience is appreciated during this process. Internship continuation in case of emergency. So if there is any emergency or any prior work commitments comes into the picture in between of this internship, what you can do is you can mail us at interns1 at 360digitmg along with the relevant documentation or any sort of the proof, so that you will be assigned to the next upcoming internship. Next, internship certificate policy. Internship certificates will be issued only upon the successful completion of all required documents. Failure to meet project submission deadlines will result in ineligibility for a certificate. So, deadlines are very important. You must reach these deadlines. Okay, delays in project submissions are not permitted. If a deadline is missed, interns will need to join the next project batch and complete it within the specified deadline to qualify for the certificate. So, if you need the certificate, you need to submit all the project related documents. You need to submit your documents on time. There will be no extension for the submissions for the deadlines. So these are the few frequently asked questions about the internship program. I hope it answered most of your questions. So yes, other than this, what else do we provide? So if you just go to our website 360DigiTMG, So this is a website, what you can see over here, right? So over here you have something called as learning resources, right? Where you will have access to multiple new added features like digital learning library. You will get a learning library, digital learning library. And then what else do we have? AI design studio for ML, where you can see this is the architecture which is built for a which which you need to build for a project. So you will have multiple options over here also as well, where you can understand what are the multiple fields are present in that particular phase. Okay, you have beginner phase, you have intermediate and advanced phase as well. Next, you have something called as resume optimization hub. So what is this resume optimization hub? So basically every job has its own job description. So what you can do is you can just upload your resume over here. You can go through this particular site. Okay, you can just upload your resume and check for whether your resume is relevant to the job description provided. Along with that, you can generate your own resume as well. Okay, this is one of the key advantage of our learning resources. Next comes some animated insights, innovative projects. All these multiple things are there. Then strategic learning maps. This is nothing but we say it as a mind map, where you could see what are the hierarchical structures of the topics, so that it will be easy for you to understand and remember at the same time. So these are the few added features which are being provided by us. You can also go through our YouTube channel. We have our own YouTube channel where uh, where you can find multiple videos, multiple playlists are there, right? Industry connects are there. We connect with multiple people out there who belongs to the field of data analytics or data science or even the AI ML as well, correct? And then you have multiple success stories as well who got placed through us. So you have all these details. You have a few project explanation as well, international research articles publication, the students who got their name in the research articles. We have got an interview with them also, how they uh, worked well in the projects and all. So you have this multiple playlist which you can go through and understand more about us. So that's it, friends. Thank you. Have a good evening.